If I weren't a Christian, I would have swore some of y'all would put a hex on me. You do not know the trouble I have had trying to get this vlog out. I have played the devil getting it going through. It's been a month since my last upload. I've been trying to keep a weekly schedule, but my computer has been giving me issues left and right. First off, I thought the power supply was screwed up. It was cutting off. I bought a new power supply. Guess what? Didn't work. Want the power supply. Alright. And then I took it apart, thinking, okay, well, it's overheating. I checked the CPU thing. It's overheating. So I had to take the whole computer apart, change the thermal paste. Guess what happened? My SSD, it fell apart. I had to order a new SSD. Get new SSD in with a new thermal paste, get everything put back together. Guess what? Same thing. The stupid thing cutting off again. Right now I got my computer up against the air conditioner to keep it cool. So do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel. And help me out. Because I have worked my ever-living butt off trying to get this out to y'all. And I mean it. I even had a whole different intro plan for this video, but you know what? I decided to scrap it. It was a good one too. I was starting to learn to do special effects. No. I had to come in right from the start and rage on it. I expect y'all to stick to your promises too and hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, I'll see y'all there. And that's how you know you live in the country. Actually, right now I'm getting whiffs of cow dung. Anyhow, I apologize for not being on here too much. Today tomorrow week. Last week. Yeah, last week I went back to, well, I didn't go back, I went to another cardiologist, one a little bit closer to town where I live, and I told him, you know, that I wanted to change up on my medications because this in here was giving me fatigue like crazy. Combine. Man, those things are loud. I don't know how well it's coming off this camera here. It's almost like having the lawnmower running. Which is, I'm only earshot of it anyway, no pun intended. But anyhow, they changed it up and it was like a placebo. Heart rate for a week's been running about 115, 120. Can't get up without it going sky high. And on top of that, I've been having the problems with my hip and my foot. Yeah, it started giving me a little bit of hassle Saturday. I think it's because of putting extra weight on my left side from my right hip giving me issues. But anyhow, yeah, that is it for this one. Yeah. Hopefully I'll see y'all pretty soon. Alright, well, it's finally came. Go ahead, Get her opened up. Alright, it's got a 25% charge on it from the factory. And this is her. It's got serial numbers and stuff. Okay, and pretty simple. Use that, turn it on. Hook your cannula hose to it. Right now it's putting out 3 liters. Just take it, go up and down, change it like that, then power it off. Alright. And I'll conclude it when I get it charged up and put it in the carrying case. Alright, see you in a few minutes. Alright, and I'm back. Been waiting on getting the confirmation code, the patient portal code, whatever you call it. But anyhow, it links your phone with the Inogen concentrator. I'm looking here, and it says here, it tells you the battery life, the current oxygen settings, schedule maintenance alert, push notifications, hours used, troubleshooting, frequently asked questions, filter and cannula maintenance reminders, and for patients and providers. Garfield's wanting to join in on the fun. Ain't you, buddy? But anyhow, now let's get it connected. So, let me try to remember how to do this. 1 minute. Alright. Let me go get the manual. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got the instruction manual right here. Alright. First, download the app and then plug in your Inogen 1G5. Alright. I'm going to try to cheat a little bit and plug it into the car charger. Probably thinking car charger. I'm in the house. I got this right here. It's got a car charging port in it. So I'm going to try to cheat it a little bit by plugging the car charger into that. And excuse all the stuff here. I still ain't got my stuff from Walmart put up yet. Just been a lot going on. Sweet pea. What are you doing, girl? Boy, she loves her boxes. And those boxes have got to go in the dumpster. Hear that, girl? They got to go away. Yep. I know. Can't keep them in here forever. Yeah, I know you love it. Yeah. Spoiled thing. Alright. Okay, that is it. And again, this is it. It's pretty small. You wouldn't believe something that small could do what it does. But yes, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with it. Alright, well, that will conclude that little one. I had to wait a couple of days to get my provider code in after it arrived to connect it. But got her done. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next one. Alright, well, I love her, but She's got a drinking problem. That's pretty interesting. It capped me off at 50 bucks. I don't know if they got some kind of limit set on it because of all the craziness going on or what. But got to get some gas for my motor, so at least I'm running premium in it. Well, let's give it a try. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Alright, let's get some groceries picked up. Alright, now just wait for them to bring it out to the truck and load it up. Alright, and I'm home. Got changed out into some of my rags, and just remembered I got to put some windshield wiper fluid in my truck. I'm dead out, as you can see. Nothing, period. If there was only some way that I could magically get it in there. Let's see here what we can do. Alright, I'm no magician, but I think the words go abracadabra, Kalamazoo, get in the reservoir, you do. And it worked. How about that? I need to really start practicing my magic a little bit more. Alright. Well, I reckon that'll be it for this little one. Anything else comes up, I'll be sure to vlog it. But until then, you know the drill. I'll see y'all later. And that didn't take long. I think there's something here going on with the windshield wiper motor. Come on, come on. I got to realign the hood. That's part of why I'm taking on this project. Alright. There we go. Yeah, see that buzzing right there? I don't know if it's my pulse board or what, but when I banged it, they cut on. Like that. But I got the replacement windshield wiper motor, but just haven't been able to do anything about it right now. But yeah, it's running the windshield wiper fluid, everything. Yep. But anyhow, like I said, that's a project for down the road. But I just wanted to come in with that because I just let everybody happen. Alright. I'll see y'all later. I lied. Kinda. When I done my headlights here, were not headlights, my bumper lights, daytime running lights, turn signal lights, lamps, whatever you want to call them. I cheated a little bit. The mountain grommets on here, I reckon, were from 1994, and yeah, they wouldn't screw back in. No, the screws wouldn't go in. So I had to do a Redneck fix. I zip tied them, yeah, it's a little improvised fix until I could get some more grommets in, because like I said, this truck here is my primary source of not my primary source, my only source of transportation right now. And I had to get it back going somehow, because I had a cardiologist appointment the next day. So then I realized I lost the screws that go in there. So they're still on order. They'll be here the 21st. But I got the grommet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and convert the incandescent bulbs over to LED, and I got the LED flasher relay right here to keep it from hyper flashing. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to switch out these incandescents with the LEDs, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal 2 screws from that side to use on this side. And the screws are supposed to be here, like I said, the 24th. So when they come, I'll just pop those in and boom, be done with it. But let's go ahead and get this party started. Alright. Okay, these are the little grommet things that go in right here, here, and here. And this in here, somehow this cheap grill's broke off. Ain't much I can do about that. Maybe use a little bit of JB Weld to get one to stick in there. It was broke off where I done this. I don't know how it happened. Come on, you dumb camera. Sit straight up. Just my luck. Hopefully it's just a stray shower. Let's get some screws in. Hey.
Be interested in selling the Maverick?
No, I reckon I'd hang on to that.
Okay. Okay, I know it's been there for a long time,
Yep.
and I just seen somebody out, and I said, well, we'll stop now.
Yep, it was my father, so I reckon I'd probably
Oh, okay, I understand.
hang on to it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you have a good one. And it's a pretty common thing to have people come by wanting to inquire about my other vehicles, my other rides. And that's proof. Unscripted, unplanned proof. I ain't wanting to go too in depth with it right now because I'm going to be coming out here changing it all out anyway. But for the meantime, I'm wanting to get rid of this hyper flash, because when I changed these out, one of these bulbs here just completely disintegrated on me. So I found a spare one, but I don't know if it was lower voltage or it's about burned out, but it's causing a hyper flash. So I decided just to go ahead, do a LED upgrade. You know, the incandescents are getting a little bit trickier to find. Whatnot, so that's how we're here today. Now I'm pretty sure that these lights will not come on without the resistor in there, or not resistor, but the special solenoid, rather. Let me rephrase that, because I tried it out with a set of clear LEDs I had, and none of these running lights would turn on. So for laughs and giggles, I'm going to see what it'll do. I got to have the keys to the truck. I'll be back again. Okay, let me set the camera right here. It'll stay up. Come on, you devilish thing, stay up. Alright, like I said, I'm sure that they ain't gonna cut on, but for laughs and giggles, I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna put that solenoid in. Alright, let's test. Okay, I was wrong. Let's try using blinkers. Okay. Maybe it's because before I had it mixed with the incandescents. Alright, well, apparently Amazon recommended the wrong product. Nowhere near a fit. So Amazon, this one's on you, because you told me this would work with my truck. And the one I thought wouldn't work is the one I thought would work is the one that y'all said wouldn't work. Need to get your mess together. But anyhow, I got them in. Still got hyper flash, but at least that part's out of the way. Alright, well, I reckon just got to take that one and send it back and get the correct one. Alright. And I had a bit of a breakdown today in town. Yep, my battery suddenly died on me. No warning. Went to pick up a prescription, and what would you know? Truck wouldn't crank. Yep. So, had that. Thankfully, a nice gentleman jumped me. Not jumped me like that, jumped my truck. Gave me a jump start. Yep, but it's always something. I probably need to inspect how they installed that battery, because I know there's been a few times I've had them to do it. It was put in questionably. So, let me do that. And tonight I'll put in a return for that and get the correct one. Alright. See y'all in just a second. Hey guys, well, this is something I didn't want to have to tell y'all, but I'm dying. Yep. Probably sometime tonight. Yeah. Dyeing my beard. As you can see, it's don't quite match the rest of my head. It wants to come in red, gray, every color of the rainbow, and looks thin, patchy. Don't look good. No. Need to change it. Yeah. Alright. Let me get it mixed up. Ooh. I look like I just covered my face from mud. That just looks freaky. This is to all you guys that have naturally full beards. I almost thought this was an ad for Preparation H. Discriminatory. Alright, I'll see y'all in about 15 minutes. Well, for me to be 15 minutes, y'all, it's going to be 1 second. Alright. And I'll see y'all there. And we're back. Alexa, shut up. Alright, well, it's darkened up a bit from where it was. Now I'm going to take me a shower, get this gunk off my face, and reveal what it looks like. I done, it said 5 minutes, I went 15 minutes. I'm a rebel. And I wanted it a right good bit darker than what it was. I didn't feel like 5 minutes would do enough. I've used this stuff in the past a lot. In my gold standard, what I usually use it for is 15 minutes. So, let me take a shower. And I'll do a reveal. And I'll see y'all there. Alright. And boom. She's a little bit darker, but I'm not quite done. Hold on a sec. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, I cut a little bit off the sides, you know, in the back. That's the top a little high. I mean, what do you expect? It's a DIY haircut. But, I mean, it's better than looking nappy. Now, ain't it? Alright. I'm gonna wash. Get this hair off of me. And try to get caught up on some video editing. I've been way behind. Yeah. Alright. I will see y'all later. Bye. Boom. And that's going to be it. I expect y'all to go ahead and stick to your promise. Right down here, that is the subscribe button. It only takes a second. Hit it. These 2 videos up here, that is what I want y'all to watch. This video, right down here, that's what YouTube recommends you watching. So, stick to your promise, do me a favor, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Alright, see y'all in the next one. Bye.